Since 2014, cases of whooping cough aka pertussis has been on the increase in China. It's a bacterial infection caused by Bordetella pertussis. It spreads through airborne droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Picture a violent, uncontrollable cough that ends in a whooping sound during the intake of air. Early symptoms mimic a common cold: runny nose, low fever, mild cough. Over time it may progress to more serious infection. Diagnosis is made based on clinical and laboratory findings. The primary method of prevention for pertussis is vaccination. Treatment involves antibiotics to kill the bacteria and control symptoms. Remember, early detection makes a world of difference. Subscribe for more health tips, comment, like, and share our videos.